Anything that is perceived as mental health related is taboo in the black community. To further complicate things, getting help is seen as a weakness. So folks press on even when they're struggling. Doing so is part of a cultural legacy of survival in the face of brutal circumstances. Did you hear that, black man? It's okay to cry, nigga. You thought I was cracking jokes on you when I told you to cry and let it out. You thought I was joking. We've been through some shit, man. Why can't we feel what we've been through? Huh? Huh? Why black men can't feel what the fuck they've been through? Why?